guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to do a GFX. And I pretty much just learned this, and this is going to be my last video that I'm going to be uploading on my computer, so hope you enjoy it, I guess. So first off, we'll need to start off with getting up the plugin, which is load character. You can go into plugins, manage plugins, wait for it to load, my internet's slow, then press find plugins, and then you should load into like a Roblox store. Go ahead, find load character. It may not be here, so you may have to do it in here, or maybe I'm just blind. I'm tired, so load character. So once you search that up, it shows up that. So once you do that, you go into here and type in anyone's user, but make sure it's clicked on spawn at origin. Otherwise, the other program that we're going to be using won't work properly. So we're going to be doing an example of me. I've already done mine, and it already looks like this. Just open it up. This is what mine looks like, and this is what my brother's looks like. So that's my completed ones so far. And then you want to press spawn R6, otherwise R15 might break it. So now, once you're in here, drop down it, go into humanoid. Well, not really humanoid. Press display distance type and press none. Once that's loaded, you can just do that. Now that this is done, just right click on the name of the explorer. Press export selection, and then save it as what you want. Then you want to change it to anything that you want. Oops. Now you'll want to make open up Blender, which is an app that we'll need. I'll put the link down in the description to download, as of course I will for every one of them. So when you load up, you should see something like this. Press X on your keyboard, then press delete. Once you do that, go up into File, go into Import, go into Wavefront, and then locate to your OBJ, then double click it. Once that's done, to move around, press Shift and then F, and now you can walk around. Get used to it because we'll need a lot of it during this. So now that your character's loaded, but it's grey. So what you want to do is click on this snowball thing, then press material. You see it's all now shady, and but it has the material. We can fix that. Go over to lamp, press this, and then press the icon again, which appears. Press specular off. Then go to Hemi, and I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm just gonna. So you want to change it to 1.5 or 1.0. So you can have it like that. Now, all you want to do is shift and right click on your head and your other accessories on your head. Once you've done that, you press this little curve tool. Let's go back a bit, and then we'll want to turn it around this or this. You can choose. I will choose this one because I like the wavelength of that. But as for some people with their shoulder pads on the other side, you'll want to do it the other way, because that's what I usually do. So once you've done that, press A 3 times, and then everything's deselected. Now press hold Shift, and then right click again on whichever arm you want. Now get your curve tool again and move it all the way around here. Then you'll push it all the way over here, and then put it over there and adjust it as however you like. Now here comes the tricky bit. If you don't know Blender, it's kind of a tricky program, so you better follow along easily and you won't get any mistakes done. So now you want to, well, go back on here and then press, you see object mode, press edit mode, and you see this. So you want to line it up against here, and then you want to press subdivide, once if you're a beginner, twice if you're getting good at it, and 3 times if you're really good at Blender and you want to try it out. And then you want to hit remove doubles, and it should say removed and how many verticals. So now all you want to do is get your curve tool and curve it up. Oh, never mind, that's a mistake. I always do mistakes. It's okay to do mistakes because sometimes you forget and it's easy. So you press A and then Z, and it should come up like this. Now press Control and then hold left click, and it does a big bubble. If it has to get past this point, just not all the way over here, just past like here or something. So just put it over the line or something. There we go. I got it good. Now you want to bend it like that. Get your move tool. Oh, I forgot, you need to press auto smooth off, because otherwise, look, it's all dark. So you want to press auto smooth off so it can be easier. Now once you've done that, go into here and then press material again. Then press A once this time, and then click camera, and then go over here and then shift right click onto that orange bit that was there, and it should turn black. Once you then did that, wait, let me just turn it around a bit because it might be a bit overwhelmed and stuff. So let me just quickly do this. Okay, I did it wrong. It's okay to do the mistakes because sometimes you can forget about stuff. There we go. Now that's done, we can press Z again and then go over to material. See, it's nothing there because you haven't selected anything. Now all you want to do is go shift into here, and you can do any pose, just saying. You can do any pose, like I've seen some like walking animations and stuff. We're not aiming for that right now. So now you have this. Go over here and put your length like that. Now push your hand, arm, into the body. Then go over here, push it down into here if you were doing a waving formation. Now here comes the editing again. Press edit mode, subdivide, remove doubles. Now press A and then Z and cut it to all the way here. Now you can do this. Okay, so you want to get it however you like. I like it just good, so that's why I'm doing it like this. Okay, now you can just press camera, and then shift it again, and then you're pretty much done. And if you want to add like the legs, I haven't done the legs in any of mine, but because I don't really like the legs moving, you can move whatever in here that you want. I am going to be making more tutorials of this. Now, if you want to save the image, so you see this camera, you see that over there that we kept clicking? That's the camera, so we can take the photo. So you want to go into this icon, the camera icon, then go over to resolution and type it to 10,000. Once you did that, it should be like that. Now, all you want to do is go into camera, and now you can see this. Shift F, you can move around again, and put your image in a shape, in a form of shape. Once you do that, click, left click, and then go over to, what was it again? Go over to render next to file, press render image. Okay, so now that's there. If you can zoom out of it. Oh, we did one mistake. We actually did one mistake. I'm sorry guys that we accidentally made one mistake. Just close out of that. You should be able to go back into the project. Okay, I'm stupid again. So you want to open that up. I'm sorry guys, I'm just really tired. So you want to press shading, press you see alpha, press that and go to transparent. Sorry guys. Okay, now you want to go into camera and take your photo, take your image again. And then I'll show you where the real fun begins by customizing it. Take your photo in the right position that you want. Let's render it. Now we can go out here, now there's checkers. That means you did it right. Not like I did. Maybe an idiot. Okay, now, when that finishes up, there we go. Press image, then press save as image. And then you can type it as to whatever you want. And then you can press save image, save as image. Now that's done, go over to www.canva.com. Once you made an account, press this and then go all the way down to logo. Okay, what am I doing? Anyway, so once you get this, it should open up this. Then go over to your uploads and press upload an image. And now go over to where you had it. There we go. Here it is. Here's my other one that I made before this video for my actual one. I'm going to be deleting this afterwards. So once that's loaded, backloading in, we can actually load it in there, and then we can choose a background. Okay, now while we wait that, we can search a background, and there should be loads of backgrounds. So loads and loads and loads of backgrounds. I can't even say it too many times because my mouth is already hurting from talking a lot. So yeah, find one that's like a square shape and no text on it. Once you find one, then you can go back over there. I'm gonna go with this. This looks honestly promising. You want to press, oh, that's transparent. You do not want any transparent. Just saying. If you want transparent, good luck with that. Because that's very hard. I think I'm gonna go with this one. You want to save the image as, and then type it as the theme that it is. Once it's loaded in. Okay, so now you can do this. You can put that in and then shape that into the canvas size, which is kind of easy. Now go over to Galaxy. If I can find it, I think it's in my downloads. Galaxy is here. Now while we wait for that to load in, let's just quickly delete this because I do not want it in there, because we're not going to be using that for another purpose of a video. We're not going to be using that for another purpose. So once it loads in, something's obviously wrong with the background, obviously. It's gone. Well, obviously something went wrong. Okay, let's just load this in and put it in. Okay, now that that's done, I'm just going to put it in one of my other ones for the example now. And then you don't have to use canvas as well if you don't want to, but I recommend it because it's easy. And then you want to add some text if you want. Add a text box and then you can name it whatever. You can do this. Fairy Fox White. Fairy Fox Whitey. It's easy to do. Trust me, guys. Very easy. You can change it to any color at all. It's so easy to color it. Like, seriously, it's so easy. You don't have to do much. So, that's kind of a big win. There we go. Now we can move it down a bit just in case we want to. There we go. That should be all done. Now you want to press this button and then download it. Well, now it can be going through this bar, and then it should open up one of these. And then you can name it whatever you want. Galaxy GFX, for example. And then there. Boom, you have a GFX. How easy is that? Like, seriously, that's so easy. Only took around 18 minutes. That's quite easy to do. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and enjoyed this tutorial. I sure did. If you could hit that like button and subscribe, that would be a huge hit. So, thank you, and pretty much, peace out. Bye!